Jackie, everybody. Can you believe that's his natural hair color? I love Corey. Corey has a smile that's ready to host regional television and a tan that's ready to host the next Hunger Games. Our very own newsman. He's just like Connie Chung. Trusted by everyone, and every time he goes online, it's just a bunch of old white guys that want to fuck him. And who could blame them? That much bleach on his head, you can only imagine that there's at least a little bit around the beehole, am I right? Just a smidge.
I can hear what you're saying.
The forecast tonight is pink.